In this video, I'll show you how to import a project from your BeatBuddy pedal into the BeatBuddy Manager. You can connect your pedal to your computer with a USB cable, or insert your BeatBuddy's SD card into your computer's SD card slot. Just a heads up before we start. If you plan to synchronize changes in the project with your pedal, make sure you've unlocked your SD card before proceeding. Most SD cards have a small switch on the side. If this switch is in the lock position, slide it to the unlock position. Now we're ready to import our project into the BeatBuddy Manager. First, click on the Open Project button on the top left side of the app. Navigate to the location of your project. In my case, it's the entire F drive, not a folder. That's because I'm connected with a USB cable. Your drive letter may be different. Select your project and click the Select Folder button to import the project. At this point, you may see a pop-up window asking your permission to edit the project files. If you don't give your permission, you won't be able to make any changes to the project. Congratulations! Your project should now be imported and ready to use.